What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Right now I am on the corner of 23rd Street. I guess this is Reverend James Street where I'm at off of 23rd. Well, I'm up here talking to a gentleman who actually been owning this shop here for over 20 years. Stopped through here just to pass out my info and let him know I'm new to the area and that I just wanted to network with him. And I gave him my price and what I do, and he's like, hey man, I know a guy that might need you. Here goes some information. You might have a good place around here. Remember me, come through here and stop, man. You never know how you can network or who you can network with or what you can do until you actually start networking, until you actually start knocking on doors and putting yourself out there, man. I mean, it's very important that you do that because you never know who might need your services. So I'm out here now, I'm networking with the gentleman. He called another gentleman while I was here sitting on the phone with him, telling him, hey, it's a new guy in the area. I heard your guy left. I think he can do this. I think you need to call this guy. Hey, you never know, man, but you got to get out here and network. Like, you got to get out here and knock on these doors, man. I just wanted to say that, man, to my folks, man. Y'all you're gonna have to knock on the doors. If you want something different to happen for your situation, you're gonna have to create it. Like, that's what I learned, man. It's just, to me, now is, we have enough people looking for jobs nowadays. I think now is the time to become your entrepreneur, become your business, create your passive income. Like, there's enough people, man, in the market looking for jobs. It's time for us to start building businesses and networking with people, man. And you never know. So don't be intimidated by coming to someone that you don't know and be like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna stop over here. I don't know. Man, do it anyway, because you never know, So I just wanted to say that, man, because I wouldn't be where I'm at now if I wouldn't network, if I was scared to throw myself out there, you know what I mean? So today, man, I'm out here networking. I'm out here trying to figure out some things and put myself in a better place in life. And it's all because I refuse to give up, man. I refuse to take no for an answer. Like, I'm gonna knock on the door, I'm gonna make something happen, I'm gonna make myself available, my skills available, my service available, So just wanted to say that to my folks, man. Y'all be safe out there. Remember why you're doing it, what you're doing it for, where you're trying to get to, and don't give up, man. Just don't give up, man. Just don't give up. I want to say that and get started. Get started, man. Because you can't do nothing if you're sitting still. And the enemy of your success is your procrastination. HogOn.